top it all off with an Italian dessert staple, chocolate-dipped cannolis. Patrick is from Vinnie Van Gogo's, one of the local favorite pizza parlors here in town.
Absolutely. You may know Southern cooking, but you know, we're going to show you a little bit of the Italian today.
I think that's great. I can't wait. You can't have an Italian meal without a cannoli. So to make a cannoli, we have bought our shell just from the grocery store. That makes everything so simple. Now I've got 2/3 of a cup of fresh whipping cream, 1/3 of a cup of confectionate sugar, and 3 tablespoons of amaretto. And I've just whipped those together. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon to this.
Can I help you with that?
Yes. Toss in about a teaspoon of cinnamon. We don't want to overbeat it. That's great. All right, now we've got a cup of ricotta cheese right here. Oh, let's toss in our pistachios. 1/4 of a cup unsalted pistachio nuts. All right, stir that in, then fold in about 1/2 of our whipping cream. And, you know, I'm gonna be kind of gentle. Don't want it to deflate on us. All right, and then we're gonna take the other 1/2, fold it in. All right, so we're just gonna fold that in. So we've got everything mixed together. Now let's take our pastry bags. We're not gonna have to put a tip in it or anything. We just wanna stuff our shells. All right, so there you go. There's your bag.
Thank you.
I'll load me up a bag. All right, so pick you up a shell, and we're just gonna squirt that filling right on into our shell. Pretty easy, isn't it?
Absolutely. The first time I've ever made a cannoli.
Really? Well, I bet it won't be the last.
Not now that I know how to do it.
All right, so we've got all those stuffed. So we're just gonna take our cannolis and we're just gonna dip them down in our chocolate.
If they weren't gonna be good before, they're gonna be even better now.
Look at that. Let's just sprinkle that end that has the chocolate with some more pistachio nuts. After a couple of hours in the refrigerator, they've gotten firm. Okay, well, I'll try the one with the goopy chocolate. Uh-oh. Some nuts fell off of that
one. Missed a spot. Cheers.
Cheers. You like it?
Mmm. Oh, that's a good way to end a good meal right there.
From Patrick, me, and Savannah. See y'all next time.
Bye.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.